was in the Coast Guard for 10 years. And took about a year off break after I got out and came here because I wanted to be a commercial diver. I wanted to be a diver in the Coast Guard, but then they didn't have the Coast Guard rate, the diver rate up yet. So I had to wait a couple years and then decided to come here. And it was honestly the best choice of my life. Because of my experience in the military, I was used to the environment, used to the camaraderie, used to the living conditions, used to the way the schedules run, the way the instructors are. So as a military individual, the school is geared towards it, hands down, and it's great. It's an easy transition. Like I would say that this school would be one of the easiest schools to transition into like civilian life from being in the military. Like one of the easiest, hands down, because I tried college out of the military and, you know, working towards my degree, still working on my biology degree. I'm like a year away, and that was hard, doing that kind of lifestyle, having that kind of lifestyle right after the military. Coming here to CDA, the way that they run things, the way things are geared, this whole industry, very easy transition, and they're very respectful. They're very respectful towards the military. The staff at CDA, they take the veterans' opinions and suggestions seriously. You know, if they see something wrong with the school, or if they have any ideas to change something, they take a lot of that into consideration. They ask the veterans.